in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to round numbers in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here these numbers. If you would like to round them, we need to use a special function. So we need to click double time on the cell on the right side of the value that we want to round. So I click double time here, and then I type here equal sign, I type here round, I open the bracket, then I need to select the number which I want to round. So I select this one number, I press comma, and here we need to type the number of places to which a number is to be rounded. So I would like to type here 1, and I close bracket. Now I click enter, and how you see this number has been successfully rounded to this one value. So now I click on this one cell, I press and hold left mouse button on blue box here, and I change position to the downside. Then all numbers will be rounded to these values. Very interesting is this result, because 5 is being rounded to higher value. So in this way you can easily round numbers in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.